Let's go now, if we can, to Ed Curran. Ed?
And Brad, it's not just the fact that we've got a lot of water on the pavement, but it's dark outside now. You can't see those power lines if they're down. You can't see the tree limbs if they're down. And we have lots of reports of tree limbs that have come down and taken power lines with them. And that's usually the same old recipe over and over again when you get a storm like this coming through. These squall lines are notorious for spinning up small tornadoes or short-lived tornadoes, and that is indeed what we've seen out of this. Saw a couple of tornadoes in western Illinois, had one as close as LaSalle County and also Kenosha County, as we'll show you in just a second here. But the other thing, you may not see a tornado out of this, but you'll see plenty of lightning. Lightning can kill you. Use a lot of caution if you need to go somewhere and you have to go through this storm. Best of all, just wait, because this storm is very fast moving. Take shelter, let it move through, and then go where you have to go. It won't be around for all that long. Very powerful winds that have taken down those tree limbs and power lines. We see 54-mile-per-hour wind gusts out at Dixon, Illinois, and Sugar Grove, which is where the Sugar Grove Airport is, where the Aurora readings are taken. It winds up to nearly 80 miles per hour at that location. Also, thunderstorm wind gusts out in Hanover Park that were really impressive. We have lots of impressive reports out of this line of storms that's been moving through the Chicago area and moving northeast as it moves to east at about 45 to 65 miles per hour. So use a lot of caution when it comes to the lightning. The yellow area you're looking at is a tornado watch area. It is possible to spin up a tornado as this comes through, and the threat is not gone yet. This line is still moving through, so you have to use caution. Stay in touch with us, stay in touch with what's going on, and if you do have a warning in your area, take cover. Even if it's not a tornado warning, even if it's just a severe thunderstorm warning. You can pack winds of 60+ miles per hour, and we've had reports of some hail out there up to about 3/4 of an inch. That's not a severe level, but you're talking about nickel-size hail or so moving through the area. Now, this is a severe thunderstorm warning everywhere you see orange, and the red up there in Kenosha County touching the Illinois line up near Beach Park, and that's a tornado warning that's in place up in that area until 5:30. So that's about to move out over Lake Michigan. But here's the line slowly moving east, and it's very dangerous, and there continues to be very powerful winds associated as colder air comes in here on the other side of this system and really knocks our temperatures for a loop. Brad.